So, you have a Stellaire, but just heard about all of the new fun, creative functions and features of the Stellaire 2. But you're not out of the water. Brother has come out with an upgrade for the Stellaire 1s so that they can do the same things that the Stellaire 2 can. So, right in front of me, I do have the upgrade here, and it includes things like the software to enable your machine to do the laser alignment positioning or the matrix copy, and it even allows you to do tapering stitches on your machine and so much more. But the upgrade also includes some goodies for you, so I thought I'd open one up and show you. So right here, this is going to be what the box looks like when you take it apart. You open this up, and right here, those are going to be your couching attachments for the couching embroidery. So there's the piece that slides onto the machine, there's the actual presser foot that you'll use for the couching embroidery, and then there's also the little needle thing that you can thread your couching yarn through the foot with. So all of that is attached right here on the inside cover. It also includes the thing I'm the most excited about, the new magnetic frame. So if you have a Stellaire 2, you will have to buy this in addition to your new machine. However, this comes with the upgrade, and this is the 8x12-inch magnetic frame. So it's the same sashing system that we're used to. It's a little bit lighter so that it glides on your machine nice and easy, and it comes in your upgrade. So that's a really exciting addition. Also in here, it has the activation card, which will enable those features to show up on your machine, and then that's that little wire threader I was talking about. It even gives you instructions on how to use that new magnetic frame, but it's all in a nice pretty package ready for you to go. If you do have the Stellaire 1 and you want to get your upgrade, you can come into any of our Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum stores, and we'd be happy to help you out on installing it, help you purchase it, and all of that. So, I'm Megan with Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum, and I hope you enjoy the new capabilities of your Stellaire.